I'm very glad. We've been wanting to have this engagement since I took over command, and I'm happy that we're here today. Well, and when we had our discussion, I just thought we would come and discuss the particular issue I raised. I didn't know I was going to have such a grand reception. I thank you very much for finding time out of your tight schedule. I know Lagos State is a lot of moving parts and there's a lot of work to be done, so I'll be very brief. So, like you were rightly informed, I took over on the 6th of February as the 63rd Commander of Nigerian Navy Ship Corps, which happens to be the premier base of the Nigerian Navy. So I'm privileged to join the long list. The Navy actually started from Nigerian Navy Ship Corps, from the first commander up until fortunate to be the 63rd commander. I found it expedient working with my chief host, this Lagos State government. There are some very key commissioners and ministries that I must, out of courtesy and out of what we do, to come and visit, to put a face to all the phone calls and the messages, and to give a short brief of what we intend to do regarding the environment around the Apapa general area where we are domiciled, and to most humbly make some few requests from you. Beginning from the 24th of this month, the base intends to carry out an environmental exercise. We intend to clean up from the Ijora under the bridge towards Marine Beach and all the environs in that area. We are mobilized as a unit, but we will also require assistance from all agencies under your office that are tied to clean up the environment. The drainages, like you know, they are blocked. The bridge itself, it's under the bridge is messed up. There are a lot of touts and hoodlums that reside under the bridge and do all sorts of nefarious activities. They're into drugs. It's just a mess. So we're requesting for your assistance. On that day, we intend to start by 6 in the morning to probably finish at about 11. Because it's a Saturday, Lagos is a busy place. We want to start early, finish early, so we don't hinder traffic and allow legitimate business people or people that want to have other things to do on Saturday to go about their lawful business. So, sir, we want to humbly request that Loma and all the other agencies have heard, the KAI and every other person should please come and support the base as we make our environment very clean. Closely related to that, the Navy will be celebrating her 69th birthday on the 1st of June. But prior to that, a week to the 1st of June, starting from the 26th, we're going to have various activities lined up leading up to 1st of June. The Nigerian Navy Shipping Corps is privileged to host that. And we're going to have a lot of visitors from outside the country and outside the state coming to the base. So that was one of the main reasons why we decided that this cleanup must be done, and after that must be sustained. We have intimated the companies around us, they too, they will go, even the trailer owners and all those legitimate business owners in that area, they are going to partner with us. So it's going to be a whole of society approach. It's not just going to be the Navy, the state government and the stakeholders doing their businesses around it should be part of it.
With respect to the crux of the meeting, let me say this. As a state, this is one of those things we look up to. We believe we are here because of the citizens. And whatever we seek to do for the betterment of society, it's easier when we have collaborations from other agencies or arms of government. For those who are familiar with Apapa, Apapa used to be the elitist of the elite place, not even the Queen. It used to be Apapa. Whatever happened that we dropped the ball and we allowed it to go south is something that should be questioned some way along the line. And we must take ownership of it. So when you bring a clear vision to take care of that ecosystem, it behoves us to rally around you and support it. What you seek to do is something we are always spoken about. Kai, led by Major Cole, and carried out clean-up exercise of Apapa under that bid severally. We've had times when people will come out of emotion that I said, no, let us do whatever is right. And whatever is right is right. We should not color it as gray. It's either white or black. So some people think we are high-handed. No. We just have situations where people need to be told, do the right thing, and everybody will be happy. So with respect to your request, Commander, be rest assured, Loma will supply all the trucks we need. The MD of Loma is here, Dr. Badikeshi. Kai will give you the ground men and the backup. Laswamo will be there, that's the wastewater agency, and then the PS cleaning service also will deploy men. Those men will come in and they will be full before that 24th. They'll come and look at, they'll come and scope the drainage system. I know we've done some work here inside the Apapa, but they have to come and look at this again and see how they can distill those block villages and give you all the support you need. And afterwards, if it comes to sustainability, last part will be involved. That's the parks and gardens. You see, we have to bring back those flowers and whatever we can plant. Whether it's to secure it. Yeah. So she will be there with them and then they will scope it with you. And be rest assured, we are willing, we are ready, and we are going to collaborate with you for the sake of greater Lagos rising. With seeking intervention and support. Why that means the empty of our waterways. That's Natasha. He may also need the support for that corridor. He's the commander of nnamdikanu. So once again, I want to formally welcome you and thank you and assure you of our support and collaboration. Thank you very much, Commander, and congratulations.